Many patients are worried about the scarcity of medicines, especially medication for chronic diseases. Patients say the situation is alarming throughout the country.
Diabetes, blood pressure and heart medications, as well as most drugs for chronic illnesses, are not available. As an old man, I have to look for my medication in dozens of pharmacies. I usually go home empty-handed.
Tunisian pharmacists urge the government and the central pharmacy to intervene in order to solve the recurrent problem of drug shortage.
There are many drugs we cannot find at pharmaceutical wholesale and distribution companies. This drug shortage started 6 to 7 months ago.
The director of pharmacy and medicines at the health department says that the domestic drug market is often affected by global shortages. Mariam Khrouf says that the financial difficulties of the country's central pharmacy are one of the main reasons behind drug unavailability in Tunisia.
The unavailable drugs are often imported drugs, and this is related to different reasons. For example, international shortage that we observe for raw materials, or excessive price increasing that we have observed for such raw material, especially in this pandemic. Of course, there is some solution. The major one is to to improve the solvability of the central pharmacy, to optimize the compensation of drug in Tunisia.
The National Council of the Order of Pharmacists of Tunisia has called for better management of the central pharmacy and reforms in the compensation system. Currently, the prices of drugs are fixed in the local market. However, as the devaluation of the Tunisian dinar continues, central pharmacy suffers from this fluctuation and covers the deficit amounting to millions of dollars. Tunisia currently covers 54% of its drug needs through local industry. The North African country aims to produce 70% of its drug needs. Therefore, it is necessary to diversify the drugs and not to be limited to the generic drugs manufacturing, and to invest in the innovative pharmaceutical industry. Adnen Chaouachi, CGTN, Tunis.